So one of the lessons ከባዱ የተማርኩት አንድ lesson realize ያደረኩት ነገር ቢኖር is inconsistent መሆን is very expensive. Now, not in terms of money, again, in terms of the opportunities we lose, in terms of the confidence not all, and I basically cost us the person that we want to become. And the problem is, inconsistency በአንድ ቀን አይደለም ብዙ ነገር የሚያሳጣችሁ or የሚያሳጣን. It's like ትናንሽ ሽርፍራፊዎች over a period of time basically will cost us a lot. So አንድ realize ያደረኩት ነገር ቢኖር ያ ነው. Because ብዙ ነገሮችን ለማድረግ ሞክር ነበረ, ሀቢቶች ቢልድ ለማድረግ trying to build things, business በሉት professionally በሉት personally ብዙ ነገሮች ለማድረግ ሞክር ነበረ. but I had this huge problem which is inconsistency. እና ለረጅም ጊዜ I was not consistent enough expect ማድረጋውን result ለማግኘት. and ችግሩ you feel like you're always doing, at least እኔ እያደረኩት ነው, I'm working on it, I'm trying to figure it out, የሆነ ነገር እየተማርኩበት ነው, የሆነ ኮርስ እየወሰድኩ ነው እሱን ለማድረግ ምናምን. ግን እነዛ ነገሮች ሁሉ በተወሰነ ጊዜ ውስጥ they turn into excuses. and in reality I wasn't really doing it. So of course I was doing it ለተወሰነ ጊዜ, ግን በመሀል እያደረኩት አልነበረም ምናምን. so because of that መድረስ ያለብኝ ቦታ ደርሻለሁ ብዬ አላስብም, or መሆን ያለብኝን ሰው ሆኛለሁ ብዬ አላስብም, or that's what's my life shows that because I was inconsistent, even though ያረኳቸው ቢሆንም እነዛን ነገሮች ተጨባጭ የሆነ ነገር እስካይባቸው ግን consistent ስላልነበርኩኝ almost እንዳላደረኩት ቁጠሩት. for example, if you see me now, I might not look like ለረጅም ጊዜ workout ሲያደርግ የነበረ ሰውዬ, ግን since high school I was working out and I was never consistent enough የሆነ ቢውልድ ላይ ለመድረስ or የሆነ ፐርፎርማንስ ላይ ለመድረስ ወር 2 ወር 3 ወር ሰራለሁ, ከዛ 1 ወር 2 ወር አቆማለሁ. ሳቆም ደግሞ like everything ነው የሚቆመው. what I eat, how I eat, how I sleep, recover, and almost no workout. so ከዛ ከወር ከ2 ወር በኋላ ምናምን ደግሞ እንደገና ይጀምራል. እና basically whatever ቢውልድ ያደረኩት ነገር መልሼ. and the scary part is consistency, like በአንዴ አይደለም የሚያሳጣችሁ, በአንዴ አይደለም ነገሮችን ዋይፕ አውት የሚያደርገው. ትናንሽ ድሮፕሌቶች ናቸው ኤቭሪዴይ ኢንኮንሲስተንት የምንሆንበት. ኦቨር ታይም ኮንፊደንሳችንን ድሬን የሚያደርጉት፣ ማንነታችንን የሚያደክሙት፣ ሞመንተማችንን የሚገሉት። ላይክ አንድ ሚስ ያደረግነው ወርክአውት አንድ አንሽተን ተኝተን ጠዋት ተነስተን ማድረግ ያለብንን ያላደረግንበት ቀን አደርጋለን ብለን የተናገርነው አንድ ያላደረግንበት ኢንስታንት create a ripple effect of being inconsistent. and now whatever confidence we built, whatever identity we built, whatever momentum we built, በእነዚህ ትናንሽ droplets of inconsistency eroded ሆነው የሆነ ሰዓት ሪያላይዝ ስናደርገው we're starting back from zero. እና that moment of times ራሴን እዛ ስፖት ላይ where ራሴን ሪስታርት እንደገና ስጀምር ያገኘሁባቸው ታይሞች ብዙ ነበሩና it was very exhausting. እና የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ ለራሴ ገና አደርገዋለሁ እንደዚህ ማድረግ ፈልጋለሁ እንኳን ብዬ ሳስብ on the back of my mind what's up ምናምን የሚለኝ voice ነበረ, because I have done that so many times. I've been inconsistent for too long that at some point it almost became my identity. and the spot is ስትሆኑ ደግሞ like whatever you tell yourself, your brain is telling you nah, you're not going to do this. Not to hear your own thoughts say that to you is very scary. So I realized የሆነ ሰዓት በቃ የገባኝ ነገር ምንድነው ሂት ያደረገልኝ whenever I'm being inconsistent አንድ ሀብት ላይ ኦር አንድ ታስክ ላይ ኦር አንድ አክሽን ላይ አይደለም inconsistent እየሆንኩ ያለሁት I'm actually abandoning the person that I want to become. አሁን የምፈልገው ሰው literally abandon እያደረኩኝ inconsistent so I think እንደዛ አድርጎ ሪፍሬም ማድረጉና በዛ በኩል አንደርስታንድ ማድረጉ kind of help me get over this loop that I was struggling with. And now if you're feeling like sabotage, if you're feeling like you're stuck, just know that consistent መሆን ማለት perfectly show up ማድረግ ማለት አይደለም. It just means ለራሳችሁ you show up in whatever form you can. አንዳንዴ you might feel strong and you might not. Again, whatever capacity that you can, every day ለራሳችሁ show up ማድረግ it's a commitment to yourself. ትዳር ላይ ምናምን you make a promise to be committed to another person and show up for them in every scenario that life throws at us. And I think consistency, it's kind of the same promise to ourselves. And whenever we break that promise, it's like cheating the person that we want to become. So I think reframing in that aspect, እኔን አግዞኛል more consistent እንደሆን እና whenever አሁን ላይ like የሆነ inconsistent የመሆን ቴንደንሲውን እንኳን ሳይ what I remind myself is okay, if I don't work out today, I'm cheating on the fitter, healthier version of me. And because that's literally what I'm doing. So I think reframing in that manner helps a lot. Perfectly show up ማድረግ አይጠበቅባችሁም. Just choose what's the things that you value. በፊት I used to try to do too much at once. ብዙ ነገር ነው ፕሌቴን የምሞላው እና በጣም too draining and too exhausting to handle all of them. And perfectly show up ማድረግ አለብኝ perfectly execute ማድረግ አለብኝ ብዬ አስብ ስለነበረ it was almost impossible. So what I realized, okay, in life you only get to do very few things. So pick what you value most in your life. Build ማድረግ የምትፈልጉትን life, build ማድረግ የምትፈልጉትን whatever it is, business, professionally, whatever. Choose wisely. Commit yourself to them. Every day I'm going to wake up and show up for this and this. And I think that will change our lives, at least. And then realize that okay, from now on I've made a decision to treat like consistency is not an option. Perfect alone ግን my life radically ተሻሽሏል because I learned okay, being consistent is not about being perfect. Being consistent is about showing up for yourself every day. And when you start to treat like consistency optional እንዳልሆነ እና it's a must እንደሆነ I think everything changes. At least it has changed for me. So if you're feeling like you're stuck, if you're feeling like you always starting from zero all over again, just remind yourself that when you're inconsistent, you're basically losing a lot and you're sitting away from the person you could become. And showing up and being consistent doesn't mean being perfect. It means showing up in whatever form and capacity that you can for yourself every day. I think that helps, at least. Use it. Use that, reframing that information. So I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video, I guess.